Hi, I'm Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today we're going to talk about the Motobrush air duct cleaning attachment. Now this system is, we provide a clutched electric plug-in drill, and this particular drill, in order to use it, and because normally in order to lock the speed you have to have the trigger depressed all the way, and we just want to have it gently depressed, so I just put a zip tie on there temporarily. And we set the clutch at 18 and went ahead and tightened up the cable, and then we've got it plugged in with a momentary switch that'll allow you to be able to push this in a duct as needed with both hands. So in order to use it, you're just going to press on, and then you can push that into the duct. Now naturally the vacuum side of it would be hooked to your shop vac or portable or truck mount or whatever vacuum system you're using. If you're using a shop vac and it's inside, it should be HEPA filtered. So anyway, this is one option for you, and thanks for watching.